Manufacturers are asking suppliers of cleaning equipment for specification sheets for their equipment in the same way as they have done for raw materials for their food production. That means that they can then prove to auditors that the cleaning equipment is of the right standard, and that's where VCAN are pioneering the production of their new equipment. We use a lot of transient workers in the food industry, and we need to make sure that we develop systems that are easy and intuitive for them to use and involve minimal training so that they can use them properly. Supermarkets and retailers are asking for longer shelf life on products, which mean that we need greater hygiene in the factories to get a good quality at the start of the product life so that it lasts longer. At VCAN headquarters in Denmark, we have a whole room dedicated to the testing of our products, including an automated test rig which we can fit our brushes and brooms to test the durability and efficiency of them. We are horizon scanning by being involved with the scientific community, taking part in conferences and meetings and focus groups so that we're aware of any new developments on the market which we can use to develop new and efficient products.
At VCAN, it has been a core part of our strategy to involve the end user at an early stage in the development process, and we have done that with great success in the development of this new product series. A key factor has also been that the materials used meet the requirements of the EU and FDA regulations, which are of extreme importance to the end users.
What's important about this new series of brushless is that it looks very robust. With Danish design in mind, we have developed a series of products which is simple, but still very unique in their expression. Our new line of products may seem as very simple products, but I believe that many people will actually be amazed of how much work lies behind this. Efficiency and hygiene are VCAN's core values, and these have been incorporated in a more innovative and more expressive way in this new series of products.
The undercut of the process is designed to make a really good grip. That means you can have a really good grip here without touching the filaments. This also improves the hygiene of the whole brush. The brush is asymmetric, which makes it more flexible. That means you can use one end for general cleaning, and you can use the narrow end here for more difficult cleaning in, for example, in edges like this. The water drop shape makes it easy to hang the brush on the wall on a hanger. It also makes it possible for the water to drain out of the hole easy. And of course, the V is also the shape of the V in the name VCAN. It looks very different, but it still have all of the good things from VCAN that we know, with the hygiene, with the efficiency. So this is a really unique product that looks so different and I think so nice.
VCAN has been there to help us to get the right cleaning solution with the process. We have had some of the machines where we have had problems to get in to clean properly. VCAN has been listening to the customers, what they are going to use. VCAN is producing what the customer wants. VCAN's high quality of process is very important for our production, because we are making a sturdy production and therefore we have to clean properly. That's something VCAN processes are good for.